Welcome to our composts. We have the earth compost for earthworms. We have the yucky gucky where we put things with dairy products and lard. And then we have the larger brush and grass composting area. So just gonna pour this in there. Yuck. You can see it's kind of gross in there, just a little bit. That's where all the goopily gop comes out. We position this in the very corner at the back so we can't smell it, but also the soil over here is very poor. So the leaking out of the fluids as it biodegrades helps to rejuvenate the soil. And then our little worm farm is just table scraps, a little bit of cardboard, and small brush from in the yard, and grass.